Hi guys, welcome to another video. Okay, the next video will be cats versus dogs. Who will win? There'll also be some fun parts. So enjoy. Okay, welcome to cats and dogs. Who will win, cats or dogs? Okay, so the most powerful team in the dogs area is gonna be a Chihuahua, and the most powerful cat one is some cats, some sharp cats that can scratch you and bite you. Okay, so who will win? Will it be cats or dogs? Meet me back later. Hi guys, I'm gonna tell you something real important. So all of my videos are just 10 subscribers special, 10 subscribers special, 5 subscribers special, 10 subscribers special. Yeah, we're not doing specials anymore. Okay, so be surprised. Okay, so this is called the beatbox segment. So it's where I'm gonna beatbox. Okay, let's move on to okay, I don't know what segment to do, but let's just move on to the cats versus dogs. So hey guys, welcome back to the cats versus dogs segment. Okay, so we were talking about who will win, cats versus dogs. If it's a Chihuahua versus any cats, then any cats will probably win. Any cat. If it's like a Chihuahua, since Chihuahuas are the powerfulest dog, or one scratches cat, then the one who will win, I don't know, but I think a % chance that the cat will win. Since the cat will really scratch him, mad cats will really scratch him. Scratch the Chihuahua. The Chihuahuas, all they do is bite. But the cats will scratch the Chihuahuas and bite them at the same time. What about their durability? I don't know. Okay, both of them cannot go in water, I think. I think dogs can stay on in. Let's see. The bigger one will win, so I'll say the cat is like scratching, like it will win. The dogs are like not too much. Okay. Oh, and the dogs are like chase cats for chase cats at the tail. That the cats will be scared. If the ducks actually make it, then they'll bite their tail. And I don't know if they will bite it off. One time when I was like so young, my brother went to his friend's house and there was a black cat in their house and he kind of got bitten by the black cat. He's like, he got bit by the hand and it was like two big holes. Right here, or right here, right here, right here, right here. Two big holes right here and right here. After he got bitten, like super bitten. Okay, so after that, what else that cats can defeat dogs? Dogs are like sweet mammal pups, but if there was a mad dog, then it would probably bite the cat's tail. It would probably bite the cat's tail. And if it's mad dog and it's so strong and a protector dog, then it'll probably bite it and then take the tail off, making the cat go sad. If it can eat, and if the dog is a herbivore, then it'll probably eat it. So what's that? And if it's a dog that is really, really, really mad and drowns blood and eat blood and eat humans, then and it's a herbivore and eats human skin off, then it will probably win. It will probably win against a cat. But if it's not a mad dog and it's a sweet dog, cats are probably winning. So let's talk about those baby cats. Kitty cats or dog cats or puppy cat. Kitties versus puppies. So they're probably like baby cats and dogs, but if it's my opinion, I would love dogs more than cats. Cats is one of the worst pets you can ever get. Okay. After that, puppies will probably win. Puppies will probably win. If they have a chihuahua in their sides, it's small. If they have a chihuahua in the side. I think they don't get a chihuahua in the side. I don't know. But if it's a cat, if it's a cute cat, then you'll probably like make it like cute and then yeah. But if it's a dog, yeah. A kitty versus puppies will probably win because of a chihuahua. So let's see. Will dogs win? I don't know if it depends on dogs or cats. Who will win? Okay. Dogs versus cats. Okay. I don't know if it if dogs versus cats. If the cat will scratch humans, and a dog will bite humans, scratching and biting each other would not help it. Cats can bite too, but it's afraid of water. So what if they're underwater? What if they're in water, and cats aren't in the bathtub, and there's water in it, and then the cat is too scared of it, and they will hold on to the water edges, to the tub edges, to the tub edges. After that, the dog will okay, I'll go. Okay. Bye, guys. Let's see what happens next. Let's go to the next segment. Okay. Let's see. It's an accordion joke. No. It's bad. It's a bad joke. It's the bad joke. Okay, what kind of train always eats? What? A choo-choo train. Please don't die, please. Okay, let's get back. Okay, after that, the dog look like if dog is a chihuahua, or if dog is a chihuahua, or cute dog, then the cat will hold on to it. If the cat will hold on to the dog, then it will probably scratch his brains out. I don't know. But after that, the dog. If the dog is so powerful and it's your protect dog, then it'll probably win against a cat. Then, cause I don't know, but the dog will probably win. The dog will probably win if they're in a bathtub, since it'll probably scratch the cat unless the cat scratches the dog. Okay, so who's probably better? If cats scratch humans, and dogs can bite humans, unless they're not your protect dog or they're a lovable dog. They're a lovable dog. After it's their lovable dog, after it was their lovable dog, then let's see, cats versus dogs. I don't know what to pick. I would say the winner will be. I'll explain this. The winner will be a cat. For the people who's watching, I'm sorry if you're rooting for dogs. Since a cat will learn to defeat a dog, unless the dog bites the cat's tail off. Unless the dog bites the cat's tail, or the dog is a chihuahua, or anything like that. Oh, I forgot to tell you. So, wild cats win. A cat is a chihuahua. A mad cat is a mad chihuahua. And a chihuahua is your protect dog. A mad cat is a mad chihuahua. Let's see who will win. Mad chihuahua will probably bite the cat so many times. And a mad chihuahua will probably take off their tail. Take off the tail. Like a mad dog would a mad dog will probably take out their tail. Okay. What do you think I put it at? Okay, after that, So it will probably take out this tail right here, and the cat will be so mad at the Chihuahua that it will scratch the Chihuahua, bite the Chihuahua, until the Chihuahua can finally run to the cat and bite and go inside of the cat, and then it bites everything in the cat. Now probably a Chihuahua would win. Who would win? A Chihuahua or a cat? Then this cat will die. So, okay. So, unless it's for a protector dog or a Chihuahua, then it'll probably win. I forgot to talk about I didn't put some dogs like that 101 dog, Dalmatian puppy. It's dead, bruh. It's dead. It's literally dead, bruh. If the Dalmatian is gonna go against a mad cat, then it's dead. Oh, I forgot to talk about cute cat versus cute dog. Let's see who wins. Oh wait, none of them. Because a Chihuahua is not cute, so yeah, none of them will win. You know why? Because they're cute. None of them will win because they're cute. They really love each other. They really love each other. Okay, after that, it's the dog. Okay, I'm going to talk about one more dog. Wiener dogs. Wiener dogs, in my opinion, are kind of great. So wiener dogs will literally kill the wiener dogs. Man, it's dead. Like, a cat would think it's a hot dog, and then it will probably bite it off. Or if the mad wiener dog hits the cat, then the cat will scratch it. Or the cat will scratch the wiener dog all here. And then the wiener dog would die. After the wiener dog will probably die. So let's make this straight. Cats will probably win against dogs. Like, yeah. If I win for dogs, I don't know. I love dogs. I prefer dogs over cats. But even though cats are the worst, it's still powerful than dogs. Like. But let's get this straight. So the cat will probably win, but if it's a Chihuahua or it's a protector dog, then the protector dog and the Chihuahua will win also. So that means cats will win, but a little bit dogs will win also. So a little type of dog will win also. So yeah.